Alright, I guess I thought this might be a little interesting for people. I thought I'd do a little video on my everyday carry and my pick set that I use the most and the picks I use the most. Um, I guess we'll start off with my everyday carry. This is what I carry in my pocket every day. I got my Covert Companion that I put together. It's not what is, it's not the way it's set up out of the box, but I have my rakes and a couple of hooks in here. Um, these little bypass tools for, shimming. And then on the other side here, I got my warded lock bypass knife, warded locks, and then I got the top of the keyway turning tools. These are my favorite. I love these. And then I have my other Covert Companion that I made up myself, so I guess it's kind of my own Frankenstein. I have in here some jigglers for wafer locks and car doors and stuff, and some jigglers, the other type of jigglers for wafer locks, some more warded lock bypassers. I got these from Sparrow, these key type ones. I love these. These work in a lot of things. I can't remember the name of the set for them, but they're pretty awesome. But I carry those with me everywhere. And I don't know how everybody feels about these, but these always come in the cheap Chinese sets and stuff. This wire turner. Man, this thing is awesome. I collect these and put them in every set that I have. I love those a lot. And then I have my pocket pick from Martin Newton, and forgive me, I forget the other guy's name. But I have that in there, and as of lately, I ordered the Ergo Turner set from Covert Companion. And I don't know whether I'm going to keep this in here or in my other set, but it's in here for right now. And it just goes together like that and zips up, and in my pocket it goes. As for what I carry in my bike or car or whatever, this is my go-to set. It's got a bunch of different companies in here, but they're all my favorites. Starting off with the Peterson Gem set, the 23,000s, the 19,000s, and 15,000s. I cannot. These are just my favorite picks right here. These are what I do the vast majority of any type of picking with. And then I got a Peterson deep hook here, which is one of my favorites. I use this quite a lot. Then I have a set of Sparrows. I can't remember what the set was, but these come in quite in handy. There's a slim hook here, shallow hook, diamond hook. I think they're like 23 thousandths or something, but I can't remember where I got those, what set I got them out of. But I have those in there. They come quite in handy. And then when I'm doing some more, paracentric keyways and things like that, I have to go with the SS Devs from Sparrows. I got it in the 15 thousandths and the 23 thousandths, I think it is, or 25. These are a must for me. Any paracentric keyway I come across, these are what I go straight to. And then we got in here some change key safes for this is a Sargent and Greenleaf and a Lagarde. I'm gathering up a bigger collection of safe change keys. I'm really big into safe cracking. I love that a lot. I need to get some more safes and things to crack, but yeah. And then obviously I've picked a lot of stuff with this shutter turning tool. I use this on van locks, on cross locks. It comes in quite handy. And then I got this shallow 15 thousandths Peterson shallow hook. This comes in quite handy. I use it quite a lot. I have these in here. I never use these. I just don't know what to do with them. I'm going to try to make a handle for them or something. They came with the Covert Companion. I'm not much of a comb picker, and these are just a pain on the Covert Companion, and by themselves they hurt my hand. Not a big fan of these, but they're in here. Also for turning tool, this is a must. This has helped me out quite a bit with a lot of strange locks I've picked up over the years. Then of course I got my tubular lock tensioners here. And then if we go into this side, I got a Peterson half diamond and 19 thousandths, I think. This comes in handy. What else do I got in here? For turners, I've got my Mad Bob's, I guess, ergo turner set in here. And as you can see, I don't carry very many rakes because I'm not much of a rake fan. I'd rather single pin pick it. But I should probably put some more in here. I have 100 rakes, but usually I don't have much problem with getting into anything that needs to be raked with just these two Peterson rakes right here. I forget what set they come from. I can't remember. Sorry, but there's a set that these come in. And then I have over here my Dangerfield top of the keyway set. A love this set. This really big one, the number 8. I use a lot on dimple locks and things, and I love this set. I love it so much I bought 2 of them, and I have it in my other set that we'll go through here in a minute. But this is my main go-to that I put in my bike or my Jeep or whatever, wherever I'm going, when I don't have this in my pocket. And, oh, obviously I have this in my pocket wherever I go, the grab pick, because it's fun, and since I don't use a lot of rakes, I put a rake on there so in case I come across something. So that goes in my pocket everyday carry. So that's that one. I have my multi-pick set that I've kind of went through and taken out things I don't use and replaced and all that. But obviously I got the same rake set from Peterson that I have in my everyday carry. A couple of ball rakes. Obviously a Peterson in 19,000s. I have a couple of those that I love, obviously. I have this HPC DeForest Diamond that I've used quite a lot, but you know, HPC they don't use good metal and things like that, and it's wearing out. It's going to break soon. I'm going to make it into a probe after it breaks. And then I got a Deep SS Dev, one of my extra ones. And then I have another whole set of the Dangerfield top of the keyway right here. And then I have the Sparrows heavy bars in there. There's 3, the 32, 40, and 50,000s, and then I got my multi-pick 1mm and 1.2mm top of the keyway. My multi-pick, I think this is multi-pick, maybe it's not, but it's just a carved out bottom of the keyway tensioner. And then this is some type of broken key extractor, but I use it as a probe. A couple of diamond picks, a mid hook and a deeper hook, and these are in, let's see, 0.06, so that's what, 23,000s, so, and I got, which I don't use very much, but I'm trying to figure out, I've only opened one lock in my entire life with a L rake or city rake, whatever you want to call it, but I just never messed with them, so I'm trying to learn those a little bit. And some DeForest picks there, so that sits at here at home, or sometimes I take it with me. Yeah, and then I got some odds and ends and things like that. I got one of these that I have never found a use for, and if anybody has, show me, but it's some kind of tensioner that doesn't work in anything. And a couple of the Chris Capoon tensioners I've made. Those are amazing. If you haven't made one and tried it, I suggest you do it because they're amazing. And just some more tensioners, another Chris Capoon. I got my Mad Bob's set here. I don't use it very much. But yeah, because it only has really one hook and more rakes than anything, but I just think it's awesome to have. Mad Bob's is pretty cool. And then some random, like this out of a cheap Chinese set, just a hook, and this is, what is this? I think it's HBC. Yeah, it's some HBC stuff. I just collect them all up, and like I said, I don't use any of the rakes really. And yeah, so that's my other case here. And what else do we get? Oh, and this is my rake case. The rakes I never use. They come out of all the sets. There's the Sparrows and Peterson, multi-pick. There's a whole multi-pick rake set with the Bogotas, 3 Peaks, and some cheap Chinese, some more Peterson and Sparrows, and more HPCs. But yeah, I don't use them, so I'll just put them in another case, and that's about that. But that's some of my sets right there. I hope you found it interesting, and if you have any questions, put them down in the comments. Any suggestions, let me know. Thanks. Bye.